Hey friends, I've got an amazing deal for you on this Nubia Neo 5G phone today, which is a gaming phone as well. The cheapest 5G gaming phone you can get in the UK anywhere. So this is a 6.6-inch HD screen phone. It has 18 gig of memory, so you get 8 gig of standard memory, 10 gig of virtual memory, so in total 18 gig. You get 256 gig storage as well. It is an unlocked phone for all network, not only in UK but worldwide. Globally, you can take this and travel with this phone anywhere. It's going to work with any SIM card as well. It is a dual SIM phone as well, so you can actually put 2 SIM cards at the same time. So if you're traveling for your holidays abroad or your work purposes, not only you can take your UK SIM card, but you will be able to add another SIM card wherever you're traveling, so you don't pay the international calling charges as well. Powers this is a octa-core processor running at 2.7 gigahertz. You get 50 megapixel camera at the back, 8 megapixel front camera, perfect for video calling as well. And it has a 120 hertz of refresh rate, so really fast. Whether you want to play PUBG, Call of Duty, or when you're watching movies or you're multitasking, this phone will not slow down. Now what I want to show you is the quality of the 50 megapixel camera. So this is me doing demonstration just a couple of days ago. As you can see how clear and sharp these images are while I was doing the demonstration. Have a look at that. It's a 50 megapixel camera. Now what I want to show you is the quality of the screen and the sound quality when you play games like PUBG. So let's have a look. Such a beautiful sound quality and the screen quality, even when you play games like PUBG and Call of Duty. Even the phone theme, guys, is aesthetically designed in such a way that it looks like a proper gaming phone. As you can see, you get 2 amazing colors in there. So this is called a war damage color. The other one is phantom black. It's exactly the opposite of this. So wherever you see yellow, it's going to be black. Wherever you see black, it's going to be yellow. 2 amazing colors. And the best part about this package deal is, guys, you're going to get every accessory that you need to get started with included in this. So first of all, your screen protector is already there. You also get a really nice gel case as well. You also get your SIM removal tool, and you get 3 more accessories. 22.5 watt fast charger. You also get a Type-C fast charging cable and your wired earphones as well. So what are you waiting for, guys? You know the drill. Tap the yellow basket and grab yours one today.